Hey, crypto warriors. Welcome back to the channel where we cut through the noise and get real about the coins that could make or break your 2025 gains. We drop these no BS breakdowns weekly to keep your portfolio pumping. Today, we're zooming in on XRP, the rebel of the crypto world that's been shaking up global payments like nobody's business. This chart, it's a battlefield snapshot from December 1st, 2025, screaming opportunity amid the chaos. Buckle up, America. We're diving into what this beast is telling us right now. And I'll drop my straight-shooter price prediction for the days ahead. No fluff, just fire, let's roll. Picture this, XRP USD is clocking in at $2.0063. Yeah, that's down a gut punch 8.4% in the last 24 hours, with the price dipping from a high of $2.215 to a low of $2.0021. Volumes exploding too, 140 million XRP traded, equating to nearly $292 million in USD action. That's not sleepy. That's institutions and whales duking it out in the trenches. Zoom out to the daily view, and you've got this electric candlestick frenzy. Those red hammers and shooting stars from November 30th show buyers tried to hold the line around $2.18. But sellers crashed the party, slamming it below key support at $2.10. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster, epic buildup. Then bam, the plot twist drop. But hold up, don't hit the panic sell yet. Check those EMAs, they're your crystal ball here. The 5-period EMA at $2.0786 is hugging the price like a lifeline, while the 25-period at $2.081 and 50-period at $2.1221 are sloping gently upward. Whispering this pullback, it's just reloading the rocket. The 100-period EMA at $2.1495 and 200-period at $2.1557. They're flattening out like a calm before the storm, showing XRP's not in freefall. It's consolidating power after that insane rally from sub-$1 levels earlier this year. Remember, folks, XRP isn't some meme coin riding vibes. It's Ripple's payment powerhouse, wired into banks from New York to Tokyo. That dip, it's profit-taking after the ETF hype and regulatory wins lit the fuse. Flip to the underbelly of this chart. The oscillators are where the real drama unfolds. RSI, sitting pretty at 23.07, deep oversold territory. Screaming, buy the fear. That's the kind of signal that turned XRP's 2021 moonshot into legend. MACD's histogram is bleeding red at -0.014, with the signal line crossing bearish, but that DIF at -0.040 and DEA at -0.038. They're coiling tight, hinting at a divergence where momentum flips faster than a Wall Street trader's tie. Bollinger Bands are squeezing like a vice. Price kissing the lower band at $2.0485, upper at $2.2889. Classic volatility bomb setup. And don't sleep on SAR flipping bearish below $2.0062. It's the paratrooper warning of more downside if we crack $2. But volume spikes say smart money's lurking. Volume profile, pure adrenaline. Those orange bars spiking to 3.28 million on the hourly, with MA5 at 5.44 million and MA10 at 5.24 million. It's like the crowd at a Super Bowl halftime show, roaring now, but ready to erupt. AVL at 80.0, VOL at 40.0, liquidity's thick. No thin air traps here, this isn't a death spiral. It's XRP flexing its muscles after conquering regulatory dragons. We've seen this movie before. Post-SEC clarity in 2024. It ripped 300% in months. With Bitcoin eyeing $100K and alt-season whispers, XRP's cross-border king status could turn this dip into your I told you so story. Now the million-dollar question you're all yelling in the comments. What's the play for the next week? Straight talk, I'm eyeing a bounce to $2.30. $2.45 by December 8th if we hold $2 support. Why? Oversold RSI plus that EMA convergence screams reversal. Backed by fresh ETF inflows and Ripple's banking partnerships stacking wins. Analysts are buzzing too, targets clustering at $2.70. $2.85 by month end if the bull market holds, with some bold calls pushing $3+ on institutional FOMO. Upside catalysts, holiday liquidity floods and potential Fed rate teases. Downside if macro jitters hit. We test $1.90, but that's your dip buy zone, not dump city. Wallet investor bears say $1.35 low. But I'm betting on the bulls. History favors the fighters, long term. $5 plus by 2026 isn't hype. It's math on adoption. America, this chart's your wake-up call. XRP's battered but unbroken, primed for a comeback that'll have your neighbors asking for financial advice. What's your move, hodl by the blood? Or cash out? Drop it below and let's debate in the replies. If this fired you up, like, share with your trading crew. And subscribe for the next deep dive. Maybe Solana's surge tomorrow. Peace out, stack sats, and trade smart. See you in the green.